Christmas in July? Are you off your rocker, Raymond? Yes, Christmas in July. I know you think Christmas belongs in a different month, but not today. July. July is Christmas. July is Black Friday. July is your birthday. July is the best month. Why? Because everything I got, not everything, almost everything that I have, all the wonderful workshops that I offer to teach you all kinds of wonderful things to increase your stature and your branding and your income, all the wonderful workshops that I have, practically every single one of them is on sale. No, not on sale. On big sale. No, not on big sale. Huge, huge sale. Huge. Why? Because it's Christmas in July. It's Christmas in July. It's Christmas in July. And what do you have to do? Well, because you don't know all of our services. And so what you do is you fill out the questionnaire. Just click on the questionnaire and you'll reveal certain things that you're interested in, and then one of my wonderful staff will contact you and discuss it with you and decide what it is that you want the best, what will help you the most, and what will give you the biggest discount. I mean, huge, 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 huge. So go to the questionnaire that you'll see right there, click on it, answer a few simple questions, and then huge discount. When? July. Christmas in July. Christmas in July. This is your chance to get a huge discount.